Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has finally pushed into resistance here. It reached our first point of resistance at $21,100. That is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. It is the first level or the first target level that we expected here for this wave 2 retracement. So this is the situation, and we're going to talk about the possibilities that the market now has in a minute. First of all, let's take a look here at the overall wave count. I'm still in favor here of the bearish count. This has been since we dropped below 18.9k. As I promised, if we get below that level, because of the invalidation of in what I believed was the most likely bullish count, probabilities for the bears have increased, and my view for Bitcoin is that since the low here in June, we moved up in a WXY pattern. That is pretty much the only bearish count, or the most likely bearish count at least that I see here. Then from the top here, which was at 25,200, we came down in a 5-wave move, a wave 1. Somewhere from here we expected that wave 2 move to the upside, a retracement, or alternatively a bull run. But as we talked about here, this was pretty much bottomed out already. So we finally see this healthy retracement now, and the 21k level was the first key area of resistance. Why? Because in a wave 2, the 38.2% Fib level is highly meaningful, but ideally you would see the 50% Fib level, which is at 21.9k. A wave 2 should normally reach that 50% Fib level. There's never a guarantee, but this is a highly interesting level. Why? Because we've got the ascending trend line of this ascending wedge reach that point exactly. We've got the 50-day moving average there in yellow coming along, and it is the 50-day moving average, and it is previous resistance here as well. 21.9k should be serious resistance. If we break through this like a knife through butter, then it would be a very bullish signal. So I do expect some pushback from there. Bitcoin can obviously go higher. If Bitcoin rallies through 23,600, then we are talking about a more bullish possibility. Then it could indeed be that we are in a bullish count. We talked about that as well. 23,600 is a key level here. That is very important. What is currently the expectation? So what we now need to look out for, is possibly higher levels to 21,900. Obviously, if we come down earlier, it would be also fulfilling this scenario, because the idea is that as soon as we reach here any of these Fib levels that are relevant for a wave 2, we could come down at any moment. At the moment, I'm thinking we go still a bit higher, but that is just how I feel about the market. 21,900 is a key level, and from here we would then turn around down in a wave 3. We don't know yet how long the wave 3 will be. We haven't seen the top in the wave 2 yet, and therefore we can't really talk about this. But overall, from a higher structural level, I would see the 16 to 14k level as highly relevant for Bitcoin. Now, but if we talk about this here in more detail, at the moment we can see 3 waves. In a wave W, X, Y. I think you could construct this as an ABC as well. But what is important now? Important is that we don't make 5 waves. So that means in the wave Y, we have A, B, and now C. And in the C wave, we can make 5 waves. So we could still push higher here, I think. We haven't seen the 5 waves yet. But what is important that you see the white wave count, WXY, that this gets completed in 3 waves, WXY. If from here we come down and we drop below 20,250, that is a key level, 20,250. If we drop below this, this would be the first main indication that we are heading down, and then it would be the fulfillment of the yellow wave count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Never proof, never evidence, but indication. If we come down and hold this level, it could very well be that we are forming 5 waves here. So that is a level to watch. What is playing out here will determine the course of action for the next couple of weeks. Very important, yeah. So we cannot have 5 waves up. If we see 5 waves up, it is a very, very, very strong bullish indication. So this is as early as we can get this information, yeah. At the moment we have 3 waves, and primary expectation is that we don't get 5, but of course I don't know. We want to let the market decide here, and then suggest the next moves. For now, we are waiting to see, do we see 5 waves or not? And do we hold 20,250 or not? And if we don't hold it, it would be the fulfillment of this scenario. We could still push higher here in a WXY pattern. Yeah, we could still. But again, the 23,600 level is very important. Anyway, what could be a possible bullish count? Bullish count could be that if we have 5 waves here, this could be a wave A, then we come down in another B and move up in a C. That would be a bullish count. It would then be a continuation of a leading diagonal. It wouldn't be a preferred structure, and I can show you that maybe in the next video, but just keep these levels in mind, and then we should be good, yeah. And that's currently my view about Bitcoin. Yeah, I think maybe tomorrow morning we already know more, but I think at the moment the market has sort of started to calm down for the day. So maybe it will be a quiet Saturday. We'll see. I just wish you a nice weekend, you know, and of course I'll keep you updated. So again, I hope you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.